Hey guys, welcome back. In this video we will be making Minecraft login to Hypixel and invite friends into a party. Open the command prompt and install PyAuto GUI. Start a Python project. I'm using Sublime Text Editor, but you can use any other text editor too. Import Win32 GUI and Win32Con. These will allow us to resize windows. OS allows us to open and close programs. Time can make delays and PyAuto GUI can mimic mouse and keyboard movements. os.start file opens a program. We have to put the program directory here. Go to program files and search for Minecraft executable file. Paste it in the parentheses. Now type the executable name. Let's run the program now. As you can see, it opened Minecraft launcher. A delay of about 2 seconds is being used to wait for the launcher to open. Now a variable hwnd is being used to define the launcher window. Get foreground window will select the launcher window. Win32GUI.show window parenthesis hwnd comma win32con.sw underscore maximize will maximize the foreground window, which is the Minecraft launcher. Put a delay of about 2 seconds for the next steps. Let's run the code. Minecraft code opened and maximized for me on the other monitor. Play around with the values to find the location of the play button. After testing, I found out that it is 750 and 810 on my monitor, which is 1440 by 900. Put these values in PyAutoGUI.click. Put a delay of about 10 seconds for the Minecraft to load. Run the code. As you can see that it has opened Minecraft and moved the mouse to the play button and clicked it. Increase the delay to 15 seconds. In my monitor, the location of clicking the server is 830 by 470, so I am keeping those values. Put a delay of about 15 seconds. PyAutoGUI.typewrite will mimic the keyboard. I am using this to invite friends to the party. Let's define another variable st to open Minecraft in full screen mode. Put a delay of about 15 seconds. After some testing, these delays worked for me, but your mileage may vary. Now we are writing the code to invite players to the party. /p username is used to invite people into party in Hypixel. PyAutoGUI.hotkey is used to press enter. Now put a delay. You can just copy the above lines to invite whomever you want to. F11 maximizes Minecraft. Now let's test the code. As you can see, it is working. Now let us make it so that it will run on pressing a shortcut. Let's install PyInput, which logs keyboard and mouse movements. From PyInput.keyboard, let's import key. From PyInput, let's import keyboard. Define a function execute and put this part of the code in it. Define another function on press and put key in the parentheses. Let's define a global variable state. Write state equals to 0. This if command is used to turn state value to 1 when Alt is pressed. In another if statement, if key equals to capital A or small a and Alt is pressed, it will make B value 1 and state will become 0. Change the second capital A to small a. I changed it later. Write b equals to 0 and in onPress, let's keep global variable b. Define a function onRelease with key in the parentheses. Type global variable b. If b equals to 1, then it will execute the above function execute, and b should be changed to 0 again. Type with keyboard.listen in parentheses onPress equals to onPress and onRelease equals to onRelease as listener. This part of the code is written to listen to the keystrokes. Put listener.join and put parentheses. Save your file as .pyw to not open the console. Press Windows Run and type %appdata%. Go to Microsoft, Windows, Start menu, Programs and Startup, and paste your code in it so that it will start on startup. Let's press Alt-A. As you can see, it logged into Hypixel and is inviting friends. If you like the video, like it and subscribe if you loved it. Your contribution is very helpful. Thank you for watching.